of the case. But now it seems that after last year's episode of Stars in the Net, now the NCB, after Aryan Khan, has Ananya Pandey. They've called her for questioning. And what have they pegged this questioning on? WhatsApp chats all over again. That debate up next. Star kids seem to be the focus of the anti-drugs agency, the Narcotics Control Bureau, as the agency searched the home of Ananya Pandey following the arrest of Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. The superstar visited his son in jail today. Ananya also questioned for 2 hours, called again at 11 a.m. tomorrow.
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan at Arthur Road Jail this morning, visiting his son Aryan Khan for the first time in 17 days. And actor Ananya Pandey at the Narcotics Control Bureau's office in South Mumbai, accompanied by her father, actor Chunky Pandey, after she was summoned for questioning by the anti-drugs agency. As Shah Rukh exited the jail, he acknowledged those waiting outside with folded hands. On the day, COVID protocols were relaxed and physical meetings between inmates of the prison and their families and lawyers resumed. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan was here for about 20 minutes at Arthur Road Jail to meet his son Aryan Khan, who's been lodged here since his judicial custody commenced. The meeting lasted for 10 minutes and all jail and COVID protocols were followed, sources say. Soon after, an NCB team was at SRK's house in Bandra to pick up documents relating to Aryan Khan. Aryan Khan's bail plea comes up in the Bombay High Court on Tuesday.
The High Court has agreed to a request for an early hearing. The ASG was present. ASG has said that he'll be ready on Tuesday.
Sources say following a search at Ananya Pandey's house this morning, the NCB team took away a laptop and a phone. Sources add Ananya Pandey's name cropped up in WhatsApp chats on Aryan Khan's phone. But as Ananya Pandey's name emerged, questions over whether the agency has been focused on film industry stars. Starting with Rhea Chakraborty in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, followed by Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet Singh, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan and Arjun Rampal in separate cases.
Can't even say this is an unusual day in Bollywood because this is happening quite often. After that, the NCB officers came here at Shah Rukh Khan's home, Mannat, to give some documents in Aryan Khan's case. Again, this is something that's been going on for a while. Aryan Khan is still in Arthur Road Jail. This morning we saw Shah Rukh Khan visit him after many days. He saw his own father, and Shah Rukh Khan, while coming out, was greeting people and people who are relatives of under trials. Now, the question Bollywood is asking and extremely worried with their back against the wall is, who's next?
Meanwhile, Nationalist Congress Party spokesperson Nawab Malik leveled charges of extortion against zonal director of the NCB, Sameer Wankhede.
इसका खुलासा अधिकारी को करना पड़ेगा, समीर वानखेड़े को। मालदीव में उस समय में थे जब पूरी इंडस्ट्री मालदीव में थी। क्या कारण था वो वहां गए? हमें तो पूरा यकीन है कि सारी उगाई मालदीव और दुबई में हुई है।
While Ananya Pandey has been called in for questioning again on Friday, the question many are asking is, why is the agency that's been tasked with going after drug cartels and major drug suppliers going after film stars whose cases at best sum up as cases of consumption? In Mumbai, with Rohit Khilnani and camera person Praveen Ji Rohit, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
I'd like to introduce Priyanka Chaturvedi, Rajya Sabha MP and leader of the Shiv Sena. Thank you very much, Ms. Chaturvedi, for joining us. Tariq Said, a lawyer for Abbas Merchant, is with us. Niranjan Shetty, spokesperson of the BJP in Maharashtra, and Ashutosh Srivastava, a Supreme Court lawyer. Thank you very much. Ms. Chaturvedi, I want to begin with you first. A member of your government has leveled charges of extortion against the Narcotics Control Bureau. You think this is what it is? And that's why Bollywood is being targeted for extortion?
I'm not going to get into the targeting bit, and I'm neither going to get into defending anyone, but very clearly. Whose video?
Yes, this question was for Ms. Priyanka Chaturvedi.
Yes, okay, because I thought someone was saying my video has frozen. So, all I'd like to say here is when we are talking about apex bodies like CBI, IT, ED, as well as Narcotics Bureau, which is supposed to be cracking down on drug mafias, are supposed to be cracking down on big consignments that are finding their way into India. They are through because of our porous borders, and now drug accessibility is also much higher amongst the youth. Youth are finding their own challenges and their own issues, because of which somehow or the other we need to find a way to ensure that we crack down on the drug mafia. So when an apex body continues to target a few people on the basis of WhatsApp chats, when you also know that drugs are not in possession, drugs are not consumed, then it becomes a matter of legitimacy and credibility of an apex body like Narcotics Bureau. So if we are talking about maintaining transparency, every officer, I'm very certain, every officer is also a human being, and he cannot be above suspicion. Like Caesar's wife has to always be above suspicion. So this is something that it is for the Narcotics Bureau to answer. Whether it is about BJP members, official office bearers being found as part of the raid. They are also found the accused being escorted into the NCB office. Some of those related to BJP office bearers who were detained were released without even any investigation. So there are some serious questions. There are ample amount of videos that lead to that. And I think it is for the NCB and the officials to tell us how it works. And if I look at the press note which has been released by the NCB today, it says that Mr. Wankhede was on a loan to NCB for 6 months. And it started from 10th August 2020. We are today sitting in October of 2021, which is way above 6 months, above a year. So those are questions which need to be answered. There are certain loopholes in terms of appointment, in terms of execution of the responsibilities, and in terms of the outcomes. So this is something which they need to come clear on.
Okay, Tariq Said, I want to come to you now. You see, a lot has been said, and this came into focus in the Riya Chakravarti case of the NCB. WhatsApp chats, it seems that everything, the focus has always been, and the entire investigation has always revolved around WhatsApp chats. Can that alone be a subject matter of investigation?
Well,
Mr. Said.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please carry on.
If those WhatsApp chats are pertaining to the seizure in question, then the enforcement agencies can definitely look into it for the purposes of seeking corroboration. But at the investigation stage, any investigation agency has every right to investigate in respect of any chats which they find as incriminating. So if there is some material for them to investigate, yes, the legitimacy is definitely there for the NCB to carry out further investigations. The aspect of whether they would be admissible at the time of trial or not is a different aspect, because the Evidence Act would require a certificate under 65D and so on and so forth. But at the investigation stage, yes, WhatsApp chats can definitely be looked into for the purpose of an investigation.
Okay, on the Coup app, we asked this question, and there are some people who have responded. Before we move any further, let's quickly take that on screen. Vidisha Sahai says, what about the bigger fish as far as drug seizures are concerned? Smriti says, is this a distraction from other issues in the country? Anushka says, WhatsApp chats are not enough to investigate a big issue like drugs. So these are comments which come on the story on the Coup app. Ashutosh Srivastav, I want to bring you in at this moment. You see, some of these comments have also got the people talking and thinking whether this is actually, number one, a distraction, and number two, what is the purpose behind this investigation? I mean, you compare, 3 tons or 3,000 kilograms of drugs versus a few grams of drugs.
Yes, I do agree that only the consumers are being investigated. So far we have seen, but the question arises as to how this much quantity of, such substance, the drugs and all are available in the market, how the youngsters are able to buy it, from where is it coming from? I mean, the question arises that what is the chain? What is the source of supply of these kind of substances? Now, the second part, what we discussed about
Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey would have the answers to these questions?
Yeah, that is what I think the investigation should be going on, and this is what should be expected, that it should go into the right direction. Ananya Pandey, whether if she has been called for interrogation, that doesn't mean that she would have committed any crime or anything. It depends on further investigation. However, if
No,
any
Mr. Srivastava,
concrete
on the
information,
basis of what we saw last year and what we see now, it almost
Yes.
appears like a trend where the NCB knows that this will attract media attention. These are celebrities
Yes,
and stars. They will come to their office. There'll be 100 cameras. We'll have this debate like we are having
yes.
right now.
So yes, this
Now,
time,
who will
this time
debate
definitely
some
Yes,
person being arrested in Vizag over 3,000 kilograms? It's a commentary on us, actually.
Definitely, absolutely, you are right. This time, people of this country would like to know the concrete, the root cause of the investigation and where this investigation goes to. Whether NCB is able to get the real culprits behind what is happening. That is very important. It should not be just that only such people are called up for investigation and after that everything is behind the carpet. Now this time I'm sure the people would like to know where this investigation is going to and who are the main culprits and what is happening to them, whether they are also being arrested and how this kind of chain of drugs are coming to the country and to different places and who is the exchequer of that. That I think a lot of answers NCB will have to give in future while doing this investigation.
And if they don't
Obviously,
give these answers, you recommend that there should be action which follows? Because we see year after year a probe which is launched, which is high octane, and then I don't know what comes out of it.
I'm sure
If
that
there is a wrong probe,
that's,
then what should happen?
Yes, then the court has to, because many of the organizations, social workers, some politicians, some common people, or maybe the affected people will definitely move the court and ask as to why the investigation was going in such direction, why no action was taken, what is the outcome of the, what is the concluding
Priyanka
part of the
Chaturvedi,
investigation.
you see, the point
so
is
far.
that this point has been made by a lot of people, including Mr. Srivastava and others, who say that, see, law will take its course, the process, due process will be followed. If in 90 days the agency is not able to prove, then automatically there will be bail. But do you feel that, sadly, in these cases, what has started to happen is that the process itself has become the punishment?
Absolutely, I do agree with your latter part of your statement where the process has become the punishment and everything is scrutinized and everything is criminalized in such a way before it is even proven or before the person is proven guilty and even if before the investigation is completed. However, having said that, absolutely law has to follow its course and whatever punishment that these accused, if they're proven guilty, they deserve, they need to be serving so that we set a precedent. The question though arises as far as this is concerned that at this point in time, whether Aryan Khan or the others come from celebrity homes, the parents have not asked for any special treatment. The parents have not come out in defense of the child. The parents are following the due course of law. So is the child. The child has not asked for any special favors, is not asking for any special treatment. He is also following the due course of law. So at this point in time, when the investigation is on, for for officers to ensure that there is a media trial happening, there are media leaks that happen. They consider themselves that they seem to know more about these celebrities and how the network works without even having ample proof to prove their claims, is something that needs to be questioned because they have been under this limelight for past 1 year when NCB was moved in by the central agencies, by the central government.
Do you not feel that this time around,
saw what the outcomes were?
There has been a bit of a lesson learnt by a section of the media where you don't see that those WhatsApp leaked chats playing out on the screen like they were last year. So there has been in the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
And
perhaps
know what happened
practicing
with
some restraint.
No, you know what happened with those. No, I don't think they are practicing restraint. It's just that their leaks are not happening as regularly as NCB was doing that in the earlier case, or whichever the agencies were doing in that earlier case, where IMA bounce became about a bounce check, not understanding what millennial lingo of IMA bounce means, or for that matter, NCB talking about let's have a blast as something which is more sinister. We really need to understand the millennial lingo, understand the challenges, understand how we can move forward, proceed forward in cracking down mafias, cracking down agencies which are colluding with those who are dealing in drugs, to be able to end this menace. Going after consumers is not the answer. Going after 59 grams of cocaine and 5 grams of charas, I definitely, as an individual, as a mother of a child, would say is not the way forward for an apex body of anti-drug agency like NCB. And maybe we can start with NCB having a full-time director rather than someone who holds additional charge, additional DG, rather than a full-term DG. For past 2 years, they haven't been able to fill that
I
place
think this was a point which was raised
to show its commitment
by political
cracking down
leaders in Maharashtra
on
last year,
narco-terrorism.
also being raised even now. Let me quickly come to you, Mr. Tariq Said. See, do you feel in this case, and just taking forward what Priyanka was saying, that star kids are being made out as examples, you know, and the punishment that is being given to them is not commensurate to the said crime. For
Absolutely
instance, Mr. Aryan Khan and others were booked and arrested for alleged consumption, right?
You're
Recreational
absolutely-
consumption.
Well,
And
you're
then
absolutely right.
it became a case of them being in touch with someone who may have connections with an international drug cartel and something more and more and more sinister, which is the same script that played out last year also, by the way.
You're absolutely right there. You see, till last year, before the Honorable Bombay High Court held that all offences under the NDPS Act are non-bailable. Prior to that, the offences were of consumption in particular were bailable. So bail was being granted on the very first day when the suspects were being produced in the court. But post the judgment of the Honorable Bombay High Court coming in Riya Chakravarti's matter, after that, these issues have been cropping up where people who have been charged simpliciter for consumption also, they have been remanded to custody for the purposes of investigation. Now that is absolutely right. You may remand them to custody for a couple of days, 3 days, 4 days for the purpose of an investigation. But having said that, thereafter what is happening is that the department also knows that their case in court will be very weak simply because of the fact that the person is being charged for consumption. Therefore, always these link-ups are made, these additional evidence is being brought up, and thereafter the nature of the case in court changes, wherein they allege that if a supplier, for example, has been found with commercial quantity, the argument in court is that the nature of the case has changed. But in this case, we take the case of which we are handling at this particular point of time, there is no connection inter se between, say, for example, Arbaz and the other co-accused persons.
Correct.
And that should be taken into consideration when, any applications for relief are being made on behalf of the accused persons. So that is one criteria which we would be submitting in the court.
Okay. I've run out of time, but I feel, and only now we've been able to get in touch with Mr. Niranjan Shetty, spokesperson of BJP Maharashtra. Can we have him on screen? Mr. Shetty, can you hear me? Sorry, we lost your audio and video.
Yeah.
Yes. Mr.
I
Shetty,
can hear you.
Now what is being said is that an agency is being used for political gains, for a political outcome, which frankly, I do not know what exactly is the motive. If this is a political game, if there is a political strategy, then what is it? Extortion, publicity, what?
Sanket, I fail to understand why on the panel each and everyone is accusing the apex body, as the Shiv Sena spokesperson spoke just few minutes ago when I was listening to him. It is the judiciary which has to decide.
I don't know whether you'll heard me.
Allow the judiciary.
Sanket, I'll have to interfere here because he's making some incorrect statements about me.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
Allow
I
me
did
to
not say
complete.
that.
Priyanka ji,
I did not say
Priyanka ji,
that.
I did not say anything.
I said
Let
apex
me, allow
bodies are
me,
supposed
you have
to
a
go
right to
after
defend.
agencies
You
and
have-
mafias.
okay, one
you have
moment.
a
Not
right
after
to
individual
defend later.
consumers. No,
Allow
you
me to
cannot
Niranjan
say,
Shetty,
you
then
cannot
please-
put words in my
Mr.
mouth.
Shetty, then please be specific.
No, you cannot put words in my mouth. You first will have to retract what you just spoke.
You have an opportunity.
No, because
to
you have few
speak,
minutes
Priyanka
left,
ji.
please be factual.
Fair
Don't
minute,
start your lies
fair
on,
enough.
on television platforms.
I am not spreading
I'm sorry.
lies, but then the allegation that you have been
You know,
raising
BJP
on
is
the
such a
NCB,
habitual liar
few
that they will
years
come on
back,
every
you-
platform
Okay,
and
one
start
moment.
lying.
few
Mr.
years
Chaturvedi,
back,
one
this-
moment.
No,
Yeah.
you cannot accuse some apex body that it is working under something duress. It is doing its job, and it has brought before the judicial system. Now let the judicial system decide. Why are we hampering on those issues that
No,
he's a
but
child?
you know, we
he's
have all the
23
right to
years
ask
old
these
adult.
questions because there's a
So
bit of a
it-
track
Sanket,
record
can you
involved
ask
here.
that?
No, 1 second.
No,
1 second.
The allegation,
Sanket.
the allegation that has
Sanket,
been
1
made
second.
that all this NCP has no other work. They are citing about different ports, and they are citing
only
about
you all
your
have
this.
the work.
Now
The
this
only
is an
work you'll
incident.
do
It is
is
not
to
the
do dirty
BJP.
hit jobs
Priyanka
and-
ji, it is not the
and
BJP has
please
put drugs
spread
into its
canards
schools.
about the
It is the
Maha
Abbas
Vikas Aghadi.
merchant. It is the Abbas merchant, and it is
Sanket, I
categorically
need to
these.
No, but
say
yes,
the
I'll come back
judge
to
has
Ms.
spoken.
Chaturvedi. One moment,
The
Mr.
judge
Shetty.
has-
But the point is
The judge
that
has
this
refused the bail.
changing strategy.
The judge has refused the bail. That
It's not just about
that
consumption.
The additional Solicitor General has proved that he has mentioned that there is a prima case case
Yeah,
in
by
this
the
matter,
way, which is
and
something
that
which
is
can
why
be
he has
challenged in a
refused the
higher
bail.
court also, which will be done soon.
Of course, you can, but let the judicial process go. You
Sure.
cannot.
Okay.
You
Priyanka
cannot
Chaturvedi,
accuse
last word.
somebody.
She wanted to come in.
No, I want to say something.
Yeah.
It is extremely important, firstly, that he does not put words in my mouth. Spreading fake narratives and lies has become a habit of the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially coming from Maharashtra. Now, having said that, NCB is also an investigation agency. NCP has made some serious charges. Now, if, as far as NCB is concerned, if we question them as
Let
to
the
how
NCB do
BJP
its
representatives
job. Why
and
are-
BJP
why
office
are we
bearers
accusing
were
the NCB?
allowed inside NCB office to take selfies with a celebrity kid, then
There
we
are-
do ask
Priyanka
questions.
ji,
We do ask
Priyanka ji,
questions
there are
that
so
why is
many-
it that some
there are so
people
many other
were given
people
special
who
treatment
in the
and they were
past
not
have
detained
been-
and they were
who
asked to
have been
leave because
witnessed.
they happened to be
I
related to
can
some
give you number of
BJP
people,
office
those who
bearers.
are from Congress.
So if I
or
have these
from,
questions,
Shiv
I
Sena
don't
who are the
think I'm
witness
hampering
and
the
who have acted as a
investigation,
witness in
neither am I
various
hampering the
cases.
judicial
And the-
process. I'm
and
only
the-
adding
and
a
the
few
legal
questions
luminaries
Okay.
who are
so that there is
present
no
here,
Okay,
there's
I
no-
don't
there's no harm
think-
they have
that
some
comes
kind
to
of
the credibility of the
So it
apex
can be
body of
above
India.
suspicion.
somebody, you cannot accuse him to be
The point
belonging
is there
to
were
BJP.
selfies taken.
Why can't
But
it
that
be?
does not,
Exactly.
that Sanket, but
Yes.
that does not absolve him from the being guilty of having
Yes,
the
let's
possession
see.
or
But you know, one
consuming.
question will also be asked,
Who
and
is
we've
saying
been
that?
raising this issue
Who is saying
time and
that?
again.
Neither
If
does
the
it
NCB is
absolve
told,
NCB.
It is the investigation officer. Let the investigation officer do its duty and let the judiciary decide. Who
Okay.
are we to decide? Let the judiciary decide.
Okay, I've run out of time, but thank you very much
Who
to
is
all of you
BJP
all.
to interfere in the investigation?
Yeah,
How are
none-
BJP office bearers part of the
Why is
investigation?
Nawab Malik speaking on whose behalf Nawab Malik is speaking? Why is the minister
He
speaking?
he is
he a
speaking. You were
spokesperson?
part.
He has to-
You know, Mr.
people were
Shetty,
part of that
Mr.
investigation.
Shetty, since I've run out of
Then
time,
he's
I
the
can only
minister,
say
he has
Nawab
the
Malik,
There's a huge
not holding a
difference
brief
between
for him,
someone
but Nawab Malik, okay, a hard stop. Nawab Malik can say what he's saying in the capacity of being a minister. He's making certain allegations, which is part of, even the BJP makes a lot of allegations. Mr. Shetty, for a BJP person and a private detective to be seen and taking selfies, I think raises enough suspicion on how the NCB went about this probe. Thank you very much. Good night and goodbye.